Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing well. And where are we today?
Copenhagen.
And where are we going?
Some beautiful places.
Honestly speaking, I had no motivation to make this layover vlog, which is why this vlog is coming so late. Otherwise, I went to Copenhagen in February, so it's been almost 2.5 months after that I'm posting this vlog. I had one of the most beautiful and kind set of crew today. We were total five. We all wanted to explore the city. As you can see, it was snow falling, and let me tell you all, this was my first interaction with snowfall as well. So it was kind of very special to me. Say hi. We all decided to go by metro because it's pocket friendly and it was very easy to reach to our destination as well. The place where we are going is one of the most iconic place in Copenhagen. I had planned to visit this place when I came to Copenhagen in December for the first time, but went to Tivoli Garden. If you all have watched that vlog, if not, then please do check out that. All this stuff because of Valentine week was going on, and when we stepped out of metro station, it was freezing cold, and then I realized snowfall is not always very romantic and how people show it. For a moment, I thought that these pigeons are frozen, but no, they were not. But it is extremely cold for them as well. Okay, guys, it is my first snowfall, and I mean, it is painful, but it's pretty. Okay, only I know how difficult it was for me to remove my jacket just to click pictures and get all these aesthetic videos for you all. Careful, guys, careful.
अच्छा
Hey. Guys, it is not mandatory that you will have best time with your colleagues every time you go out in the layover, but this time I had best people to spend my day with. And here I am. This place is known as Nayavind, which is the iconic 17th century waterfront canal and entertainment district in Copenhagen. मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि मेरी टाइमिंग हमेशा खराब ही रहती है बिकॉज पूरा पानी फ्रोजन था, जिसकी वजह से इसकी सुंदरता उतनी नहीं दिख रही थी जितना ये एक्चुअली में प्रिटी है. ठंड इतनी थी कि बिफोर एक्सप्लोरिंग द प्लेस वी थॉट टू हैव समथिंग हॉट कॉफी और हॉट चॉकलेट, एंड वी फाउंड अ क्यूट कैफे टू सिट देयर. यस गाइस, वी हैव हॉट चॉकलेट एंड कॉफी देयर. यू गाइस वांट टू हैव? उनको बता दो. चलो. I desperately needed something hot to drink, and this hot chocolate did not disappoint me. Although it was very sweet, and after a while, I could not finish it, so I had to dump it. And here you can see the entire view of the canal and the buildings. जिसके लिए ये जगह बहुत famous है, especially the colorful building. It is cold. But such कहूँ तो I don't think these pictures and videos are justifying the view how pretty it was. Especially the entire place was covered in snow and colorful buildings were standing up. And I feel due to winter there wasn't much of crowd generally ऐसा होता है. So you're enjoying this?
Yes, too much.
Too much?
Very.
I could see that lady who was there on our flight yesterday. Who was telling me that I'm with a group. She's there. मैंने तो देखा नहीं उसको.
We actually wanted to visit more place. There's a palace here, but because it's so cold, like so cold that we just can't. We are going back because it's like freezing cold. Without gloves, your hand will be gone. My nose is gone already. It's numb. I cannot even feel it. Despite layering so much, still. I mean, yeah. This was the point where we decided that going this early to our hotel is not fair. अगर हम बाहर आए हैं तो थोड़ा और time spend करते हैं. But I did not know what plan they were having.
अरे ये एक हाथ ऐसे जाएगा, ठीक है? फिर दूसरा हाथ ऐसे आएगा. ओ यार मेरा, जब बोलेगा नहीं यार मेरा वो सही है. चलिए यार. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
ये था ना पहले.
ये
ये था.
वही करो. अगेन.
After their dancing session, it was time to go for souvenir shopping because for most of the crew it was their first time, so they wanted to shop. बट मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि souvenir shopping एक बहाना है. Actually, we were scared of frostbite. As you can see, my nose has turned red, and frostbite is real, guys. So हमें ऐसे स्टोर पे जाना था जहाँ पे थोड़ी सी warmth मिले, so that we can restore our energy and go out again in that freezing cold environment. I had no intention to shop anything, but मैंने वहाँ से एक कैप ले ही लिया क्योंकि मुझे वो काफ़ी एस्थेटिक सा लग रहा था. और उसके बाद से हमें लगी थी ज़ोरों की भूख, तो हमने एक पिज्ज़ा स्टोर चुना, and this place was actually heaven for pizza lover. When I entered, I was not expecting monster slice of pizza, and I was very excited to try them. We were very hungry, तो हम सब ने अपने लिए एक एक अलग अलग slices मंगवाए, जो कि हमें realize नहीं हुआ, but it was too much. This is the largest pizza. I don't know, but ये सच में बहुत बड़ा है. I was very hungry, so I had no doubt in my caliber and actually finished this entire slice of pizza within 5 minutes. Not joking, but it was actually very delicious. After having our meal, we left for grocery shopping, and then it was time to go back to our hotel. And that's all I did in my Copenhagen layover. I hope you all enjoyed this vlog. And I'm so sorry, I know I have not been very consistent with my YouTube vlogs, but I will try to be very consistent and try to bring more new kind of videos on my YouTube channel for you all. So that's it for today's vlog. I hope you like it. If you did, do subscribe my channel, like it, share it, and yup, see you all in next vlog. Till then, take care. Bye bye.